Matt the Mortgage Guy here, making a quick video talking about the minimum down payment for a conventional loan. Now, before I get started, I just have to say this. Please like this video if you enjoy this content. Please subscribe to the channel if you want more mortgage education, mortgage videos in simple terms. That's my goal of this channel, is just to put out information that everybody can understand. No fancy mortgage talk. I'll interpret the guidelines and talk to you in layman's terms so you can understand mortgage better. And hopefully this helps some folks out. So without further ado, I'm making this video in 2020. And you would think that there'd be enough information out there where people would understand. On a conventional loan, you could put as little as 3% down, but unfortunately, there's still a lot of misinformation out there, or just people that haven't got the correct information, which is 3% down on a conventional loan is the minimum. You can put 3%, 5%, 10%, and there's great loan programs out there for putting less than 20% down on a conventional loan. With less than 20% down comes mortgage insurance, which has always been the thing. People say, well, I want to put 20% down because I want to avoid mortgage insurance. Real quick on that, mortgage insurance rates have come down so much over the last few years that you'd be surprised at how little you'll pay in monthly mortgage insurance if you have good credit, if you put 5 or 10% down. Now, it's so low that I have conversations with people where if 20% down is wiping out all their savings and they're basically going to be putting everything in their bank account towards that down payment with putting 20%, they might want to consider 10%, keeping some money in the bank for a rainy day because the mortgage insurance rates are so affordable. So any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. I'm happy to answer those and get into detail about who qualifies for 3% down, what a 5% down versus 10% down loan looks like. But conventional loans, you don't need 20%. So if you're thinking about buying, my advice, don't save up for 9.5 years so that you have 20% down, because if you look at the cost of waiting, you're much better off putting 3 or 5% down today, owning that house for 8 years and being a fourth of the way towards paying it off, rather than saving forever to put 20% down. Any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.